guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because a company called Simplykoolthings reached out to me and wanted me to review some spaghetti storage container sets, and they're from Amazon. So they are multicolored, they have a wide nozzle, and it also comes with a measuring cup. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. So I'm gonna open one up just to show you guys how it looks, and then after that I'm gonna wash it out and then put some spaghetti in it so you guys can see how it looks inside. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. So guys, you can literally put anything in there. You can put spaghetti, you can put flour, you can put sugar. It's also dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and food safe. It has an easy grip design on the container, and it saves space in your cabinet. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. So I have a discount code for 10% off. It will be linked down below or on the screen. And so far I'm loving this product. I love me some storage containers. And yeah, I want to thank Simplykoolthings for shipping these containers to me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, go check them out. Yeah, I need it.